Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about journaling. This is something which I am deeply connected to. In fact, this is a part of my daily self-love routine. In case you haven't watched my self-love video, I mean the self-love challenge, you can click on the I button or you can click the description box. I have linked up somewhere in the description box so you can watch that video there as well. So recently I have conducted a survey and I wanted to know from my subscribers like which type of videos they would like to watch in my channel. So I have got huge amount of requests for the self-love videos more, although this is a beauty YouTube channel. So apart from this also I have got a request to create more such self-love videos. So here I am, another with a new self-love video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I guess some of you are new to this journaling routine and I guess you might be wondering like what exactly that journaling is and what is its importance, what its benefits and everything. So I have compiled everything in this video and I am here to help you out like what are the tips that you need to follow if you are a beginner and what are the steps that you need to follow while doing the journaling as a newbie, and if you are already are experienced about this journaling routine, then this video would help you out a bit more about to know its importance and other. So yeah, let's see. If you are a newbie and you want to start journaling and you want to be a part of this journaling routine, then I would like to suggest you to keep two types of journal. Number one is physical journal and number two is digital journal. So physical journal can be of various types. You can keep a simple copy or you can keep a diary or you can keep a journaling type of diaries. There are various types of journaling diaries available in the market. So the journaling, this diary that I mostly use is this. This is something this is from the brand called Escapers. You can find it in Flipkart or Amazon or something. And the front side is you can see the writings. It helps you to give that positive experience. There are various other types of journaling books that you will be getting in the market. So I use this diary as a part of my daily journaling routine. So this is the benefit of a physical journal because it immensely helps you to understand your thoughts, and you can easily convert your thoughts into the words, and also it brings you into the meditative experience and calms your mind down, and it has immense benefits. On the other hand, digital journal is also very important because we are going into the digital era. Digitization has provided immense number of benefits. So I would not suggest you to keep yourself away with the digitization because it is also important. Suppose in case you are away from your home and you have not taken or also you have forgotten to take your physical journal with you. So in that case, you can use digital journal. There are various types of applications available in the Google Play Store. You can say the iOS stores, Scribe and Google Notes. These two types of app is what I use the most in my daily journaling routine. Like any other habits for your self-improvement, journaling should also be given a proper space which needs a proper schedule. अगर आप journaling को अपने schedule में नहीं डालेंगे तो हो सकता है कि आप भूल जाए, जब आप अपने कामों में उलझ जाएंगे तब आप automatically भूल जाएंगे. But जब आप इसे proper schedule करेंगे इस task को, it easily becomes a part of your daily self-love routine. This is the reason you need to maintain a proper schedule for journaling. Journaling is done in various ways. Many people use it to write their daily activities. बहुत सारे लोग इसमें affirmations लिखते हैं. But I use it to let out emotions, stress, or even plan and organize my daily activities. This acts as my best friend as I share every secrets with it. The main thing is you need to be intentional on why you are journaling. As I mentioned before, journaling can be a great activity to release stress, discover yourself, or to bring positivity in your life. But there are some times कि कभी आपको आइडिया ही ना आए कि आप जर्नलिंग क्यों कर रहे हैं या फिर आप जर्नलिंग पे क्या लिखें. In that case, you can use Pinterest. This is a great app through which you can find various tips related to journaling and different types of journaling ideas. This is one of my favorite apps in terms of the self-love. While journaling, you should not get distracted or disturbed, because this is something while doing which your mind should get focused and provide you the meditative and calming experience. So make sure करें कि आप जहाँ पे भी बैठे वो जगह शांत हो और उसी टाइम पे कोई ना आए. So टाइम और जगह दोनों ही वही चूज करें जहाँ पे आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब करने ना आए, बिकॉज उसी टाइम पे हम अपने इमोशंस को वॉच करते हैं, हमारे प्रायोरिटाइजेशन को देखते हैं, फोकस करते हैं अपने थॉट्स पे, फॉर विच वी नीड अ प्रॉपर स्पेस जहाँ पे हम अपने साथ ही टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो. So this was all about the journaling and these are the most important tips that you need to follow if you are a newbie. और अगर आप पहले से ही journaling करते थे और अगर आपने ये सब tips follow नहीं किया है, then it's the right time to follow these tips and it would work immensely because to bring the positivity in your life. I hope this video was quite helpful to you. मैं ऐसे ही बहुत सारे और टिप्स जर्नलिंग के लिए लेते आऊँगी, क्योंकि जर्नलिंग पे बहुत सारे सेगमेंट है. जर्नलिंग में वास्ट होता है बिकॉज इसमें एफर्मेशंस होते हैं, मैनिफेस्टेशंस होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होते हैं. और जो मैंने जर्नलिंग का वीडियो आज मैंने बनाया है ये टोटली बेस्ड है आपके डेली टास्क के ऊपर. आप डेली क्या किए हैं, एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट. एंड ट्राई करें कि जर्नलिंग पे आप कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं लिखे, अपने इमोशंस को ही सिर्फ लिखे. इमोशंस मतलब आप अपने आप क्या फील कर रहे हो वही बस आप लिखो. इट वुड हेल्प एज टू बिकम अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड. जर्नल एक आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन के रह जाएगा. सो अगर आपने मेरे वीडियो को सेल्फ लव वीडियो को अभी तक नहीं देखा है, देन यू कैन वॉच इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. और मैं ऐसे ही और वीडियोस लेके आऊंगी रिगार्डिंग द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शंस. जर्नलिंग के बहुत सारे और पार्ट्स होते हैं जैसे राइटिंग एफर्मेशंस, मैनिफेस्टेशंस, ये सब और वीडियोस मैं आपको लेते आऊंगी. अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे, देन यू कैन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड मैं रेगुलरली ब्यूटी, ट्रैवल और लाइफस्टाइल वीडियोस बनाती हूँ आपके लिए. एंड इफ दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल टू यू, प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. So with this I end my video. This is Joyita signing off now. Bye bye.